Hi, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. Today I want to talk to you about the TNTs and go through our weekly results of last week of what the TNTs did on a weekly time frame. We're about to go through the US stocks, currencies, and maybe some international markets like Europe and India and so forth. So let's begin by going looking at the charts. So over here I have my watch list here. This is all the TNTs, the weekly TNTs from the week before. So they were trading opportunities for last week. So what we're looking for is this black bar here on the weekly time frame. It tells us something can happen on the next bar, and that's what we're looking for. If it breaks the low of the TNT, it could go down. If it breaks the high of that TNT bar, it could go up. Which way should you bet on? Which one has a higher probability? That's easy. Look at this background. If it's red, that means you're going to bet on it going down once it breaks the TNT low. If it's green, you bet on it breaking the TNT high and going up. If there's no shade, no trade at all. That's the worst case scenario situations out there. And week by week, we've been proving to you that these TNTs produce revenue. So let's go through this last week's trades and go from there. This is rigged, this is a red shade, you would enter here, and this is profitable here. The red dot, by the way, is your conditional stop. And then you have your blue crosses here, which are your targets. So we give you everything there. This is profitable too. This is Lilly. McKinsey. This is profitable. CLX, this is profitable. EQIX, this is profitable. FI, this is not a TNT on there, so that shouldn't even be in the list. CSX, this is profitable. ION, this is profitable here too. This is a currency here, that was profitable right there. This is this week, so we're talking about last week's trades. That's profitable. Over here, this was not profitable at all. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winning trades so far, 1 losing trade. And then another losing trade here, so 2 losing trades here. Now remember, a lot of these losing trades, you could see that he went all the way down there. So you can, with money manager, go to break even. So these losing trades would be break even. And at the end of the week, you would have 8 winning trades and 2 at break even with money management. Now, these are all the opportunities here with no shades at all, and you could see what happened with them. Here, this went down. This was profitable at the end of the week. Here, there was no trade right there. There is a trade right there. That was profitable right there. This is profitable right there. This one's profitable. Even the ones without the shades, it proves to you that something is going to happen and there's high probability it's going to break the high or low of the bar. And you could see all these trades here with certain money management, you could apply and even take the trades with no shade and still come out profitable. So you could see here, these are all the trades that had no shade at all that were profitable. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades that were profitable with no shades at all. Okay, these were losses that, if you look here, entered, and you could see here, if you had a little buffer below the previous bar low, you would not even enter this trade here. So these are losses that could be avoided, or a lot of them go to break even. See how far this went down below the TNT low? Right there, right here, this would have been a break even. This would have been a break even. This is a trade that didn't, it's right here. This right here probably would have been a losing trade because it didn't go far below the blue dot. Over here, this one went all the way up there, so that would be break even. Here, this would have been break even. This is actually a winning trade right there. This was a winning trade right there. So there's a couple of there in there. This was a break even. So this is probably be a losing trade in there. So if you look at the trades with no shades, with correct money management, you would have pretty much got 2 losing trades and more winning trades. These are all opportunities that didn't even trigger here at all because they didn't have certain criteria. This is red shade, so it broke the high, which we don't care for because it has a red shade, so you're looking for it to break the low. So these are all opportunities that did not trigger at all. But you could see that we begin the week with an active list. Okay, if you want to see what's this week's list, it's right here. This is this week's list right here. These are the ones that have a shade right now. So this is a list that we have going into this week. We know what to look for. We have the alerts set out. So we're not spending time behind the charts at all. We just enter once it sits there and breaks the previous bar high or low and manage the trade correctly. That's it. That's how simple trading should be. Remember, you want to reap the benefits from the charts and from trading, but without all that extra time that a lot of people do. Really, you should be able to look at a chart within 3 seconds and determine if there's an opportunity. If there is, place the order. If not, don't walk away. More than 3 seconds, you're going to start arguing within yourselves, which is not a good thing at all. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@eiicapital.com. Have a good day.